at the Batman! Look at the Batman! Hey, Jamal!
We're doing a Imaginext Batman Toy review! Yeah! I'm Jemiah. I'm Josiah. And that's Jemiah. We are the Willis brothers. Welcome to the World of Willis. Hi guys, this is a collab with our friend Xavier from Xavier eXtreme Daily Show. Check out his video after you watch ours. Let's get to this review. Wait. Fire. You look like that. Looks like Batman too. Let's do this one, guys. Ooh, guys, I'm gonna start with this one. This is Imaginext Ninja Armor Batmobile. Wow. Oh, look, it's Batman. And his cool sword. And look at his red disc. And look at his Batmobile. Wow, this is what it does. Ooh, look. Open and shut. Open and shut. Open and shut. Now, time to open them up. Whoa, look guys, it's Batman. I'm gonna put a sword in. Whoa, guys, look. He's a samurai. Now we're gonna take his sword out. See? Time to get his car open. Get his mobile open. And then look at his like this. Let's put him in. Get some controls. Let's take out. Oh, watch this. In slow mo. Like you take the handles and boom. And 3, 2, 1. Use my token. Now let's open my toy up, guys. It's a Batman and Batcycle. This is a Batcycle. Guys, let's open it. Okay. You knocked over my Batman. I do have one like this. Oh, we'll open your Batcycle. Okay. Get on it. Ooh, open the blast hole. Try it out. And then he has extra stuff. He has a blaster. He has claws. Whoa, wait. Hey, dude, look at my motorcycle. What's this? Whoa. How did you do that? Oopsie. Oh, dude, this is cool too. Yeah, you don't. And there's no weapons allowed. Except my weapon side. And I'm getting ready to fly. Come on. Yeah. Whoa, this is a cool side. Blasters. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I missed. Nice job. Where'd it go? You need a ride home? Season! I'll take a ride home. Dun, dun.
Okay, guys, so you opened up your new toys.
Yeah.
And Saya, what do you give your Ninja Armor Batmobile? A thumbs up or a thumbs down? Thumbs up? You like it? What's your favorite thing about it?
Because I never had Batman before, and that is my first Batman.
And the car, is that pretty cool?
Yeah.
It opens up its wings.
And that's his first car.
It's your first car and it shoots the little shooter disc out of it. Yeah. That's pretty awesome, huh? Cool.
And he has a back for the sword.
Oh, and he has a sword. And then he can hold his sword too, huh? That is awesome. That's cool. Okay, Jeremiah, so what do you give your Batman and Batcycle? Do you give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Thumbs up? Okay, and what is your favorite part about it?
It has a Batcycle and it has a Batman. And he's smiling.
And he has a little shooter too. He shoots little bullets out of his motorcycle.
Say bye-bye, guys. Bye.
Oh. All right, look at your ninja, Saya. That's so cool. Look at him.
Smoke bomb. Smoke bomb. Bye-bye. Me. I'm protecting you. Check out Xavier's eXtreme. They will show for his video. This video was a collab with him. Thanks for watching. Bye. I'm Batman. Look at our Batman collection now. And look, Swamp Thing is here. And the special Joker. And my motorcycle. And this Batman. Ready, set, go! smart. Knowledge is power. Kindness is key. Fun is necessary. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.